let's look at this. Oh, listen, look at all this, Miss Sarah Sabetti. Oh, I've been caught slipping. Okay, let's look at these then. Look what this turned into. The last thing that was filed was this request. So notice for trial, non-jury, it says. Wait, non-jury. Did that switch? No, okay. Share this tab instead. Look at that, a little Friday delight. So this was filed 2/11. Yesterday was George's birthday, by the way. I was going to do a video. I wasn't feeling well. Like I said, I had a procedure, and then I was a little loopy afterwards. I went to acupuncture, came home, slept, and then went and got Sugar Bear. So I was definitely thinking of him, though, and his mother. Notice for non-jury trial comes now. The petitioner, it's Brian who's asking for it. Brian C. Boone, by and through undersigned counsel, and notices this action for non-jury trial, and in support thereof would respectfully show the court this action is at issue and ready to be set for trial, number one. Number two, on August 11th, 2022, an order on motion to dispense with mediation filed on July 26, 2022 was entered by court granting said motion. So for those of you guys who haven't gone through the hours of the family court videos that I've done, basically they sent something to Sarah, they being Brian and his counsel, trying to get mediation. One, because it costs less and it would be faster than going through the court system too, right? She didn't want to do it, but she didn't say she didn't want to do it. In her passive aggressive way, what she sent was a bunch of questions. How could this be? How could that be? But she did not say, absolutely, I will do it or I will not do it. But I mean, I guess legally you're saying you're not going to do it because you're not cooperating with giving them what they're asking. Hang on, I want to just open this. The curtains. You're not giving them. So they then filed an order to dispense with it. Like, never mind, she's not, we're not going to play her reindeer games. And so that happened. And then the estimated time required to try this case is 2 hours. Will she get counsel? Do you guys think maybe James will pop in for her? Or somebody, maybe Kevin Beck. I hereby certify that a copy of the foregoing has been filed via electronic court filings and provided via U.S. mail to pro se respondent Sarah K. on this 11th day of February. Okay. Josh Martell. So she may have not gotten this yet. So if her friends are here in the bushes, I'm sure they're going to tell her about it. Okay, so that was that. And then let's look at the case at issue cover sheet. Okay, this was filed on the 11th. In regards to the former marriage of Brian C. Boone, petitioner, and Sarah K. Boone, respondent, cover sheet, case at issue, to be filed after mediation and with notice for trial. So they've done away with mediation. I guess that may be a requirement before you get to trial. So that motion was already granted since she wasn't being cooperative. And we just read the notice. So a motion to dispense with mediation was granted by court order dated August 11, 2022, because the court determined that mediation of the issues would not be appropriate under the circumstances of the case. Yeah. Mainly her being in jail and not being cooperative. So that is interesting. Thank you for the tea. Okay, so we'll keep an eye out on that. Thank you for the super stickers. Thank you for being here with me, hanging out with me. And yeah, oh my God. Little Miss Boone, quite the quandary. Talk to you guys later. Toodles. I wasn't ready, but it's okay. Bye, guys.